Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Forta network today, and the token or the ticker is Forta, as you can see here. So this is one of the leading cybersecurity in the Web3 space. As you can see here, it has a market cap of 35 million. It's just below QANX and GPS, as you can see here. Again, the market cap is not that much, and the overall market of the cybersecurity coins is not that much low. As you can see, it's only around 232 million, which is not that big. And if we look at the token itself, it is not doing that good either. As you can see, it's down from 34 cent back in April 2024, and it has ever since struggled to go up. So it actually went as high as 16 cent back in December, but now it is going down, as you can see here. So first of all, let's see what is happening with them. So first, their biggest, or you can say their premium product called Forta Firewall, is now screening more than 2 million transactions every day. So this is a massive, I think this is their massive product, or this is their product that I think will eventually end up benefiting the Forta token in the future. But as of now, it doesn't seem like it is doing that much. But again, this is, I think, their premium product that could actually help Forta coin recover in the future. Now, basically, what the firewall is, it prevents high risk transactions before they reach any chain. So whoever basically is using Forta's firewall, they are basically securing their chain. So it uses AI detection model to stop threats, pre-inclusion, and provides built-in compliance to keep a chain secure. So basically, the solution itself is for the chains, not for I think it's not for the individuals, but it's for the chain itself. Besides that, they do have a product that is working, like they have the app, as you can see here. It offers various things. You can also stake the token itself, as you can see here, and they have different products such as data feeds, health and activity boards, and alerts. So they do have different products as well. Now, the token itself is a pretty interesting one. So if we just go to the tokenomics of the token, the token itself is required for scanner pool staking. So after that, it is also used for detection bot staking as well. It is also used for payments of the data feeds. Okay, so whoever want to actually use the data feeds, they do need to pay in terms of Forta coin, and it is also used for payments of the gas fees in the Forta chain. So that is additional utility that this coin has, and it is also a governance token itself. Now the token itself has a max supply of 1 billion, and if we just go to the market cap, so this is how the market cap looks like. It is nowhere near its all-time low, which was back in 2022 around 10 million, and back in 2023 it actually ended up hitting low as high as 21 million. But if we look at the price and the market cap do not have the same price action, as you can see here. So what this means is that back when the market cap was around 21 million, the price was at 8.9, and as of now the market cap is around 35 million. The price is like 6 cents. So I think this has to do with the supply increase. So Forta coin tokenomics was pretty bad, but I think now it should be good. So out of 1 billion, they gave out around 45.5 to the community. They have their foundation, I believe, or something like the foundation Open Zeppelin, and they have initial core contributors getting around 20% and backers around 24.5%. So this, both of these chunks are a massive part of the pie, as you can see here. And if we go to their tokens, this is basically how it looks like. So this is for the, I believe, investors, and this is for the their community, their initial contributors. So this is how the backers looks like. So they started to receive their tokens from August of 2022, and if we just go back, so this is when they started to receive their tokens. So this is when that happened. As you can see here, the price start to go down. Same thing for the core contributors as well. So I think this massive price action or the massive downfall of the coin has to do with the increase in supply, and it will continue to do so till September 2025. Same for the initial core contributors. Of course, I don't think that the investors may have sold all of their tokens, but I think they definitely took some profit, and I think because of that the Forta coin itself saw a massive decline in the price. However, looking at its market cap, the demand is there, as you can see here. So usually in each cycle, whenever the alts go down, the token actually ends up hitting at least 500 million market cap. So I think there's a possibility that the token itself can go higher if the market starts to go up, but that is not the case. If we look at the market overall, the Bitcoin is just not doing that good as of now. So if it goes down, I think the Forta coin will most likely follow. So but if the market improves, I think there's a high chance that the Forta coin could actually make a pretty good recovery, and especially after September 2025, there won't be any sell pressure from the investors as well as the initial core contributors. Of course, they won't be selling at the lower price, but at least I think the token could actually go freely as they release the token in the market at least. So whenever the token pumps, they start selling, and as of now the token is going down, so I don't think they are selling that much. So I think there is a high chance that the token will recover if the market recovers. So but still, this coin is not a good buy if you actually bought it somewhere at the top. But as of now, if you are planning to buy it, I think you can dollar cost average it, and as it goes up you can take the profit, because it is, I believe, its all-time low. So its all-time low is somewhere around I think. So just a second, let me check its all-time low. Okay, so we are at the all-time low, so I think there is no support if it goes down, but I think it could be a pretty interesting coin to buy if you're planning to hold it for like 1 year or something like that. But for the short term, I'm not sure about this because there is no support, so it can go even lower than this. So at least if the market cap reaches, let's say that it reaches its lowest point, which was back in 2023, 20 million. So that means it will sell at like 15 million. So that is going to have a big impact on its price, and the price will most likely go down, and it could actually go as low as 4 cents or even 3 cents is a possibility. So that is something you should know if you're planning to get into this coin. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back more. Thanks for watching. But I think for the bull run, if the market continues to go up, I think this coin definitely has a potential to hit as high as 20 cents or even higher than that, because considering the hacks in the market, I think the demand for the Forta will increase when the market size increases. So let's see what happens in the future, but I think as of now it doesn't have any support, and it could be a good buy if you're planning to get it, because it is near its all-time low, and you do need to actually consider this support or these token unlocks that are going to happen for at least 4 more, I think 3 or 4 more months. So that is something you should know. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.